Guys, we're gonna dive into Prime Link right now, okay? And what I'm gonna do is show you how to delete links, move them into your archive folder, and obviously restore them, guys. This is a great tool, and I want to tell you right now, with that link down below, you can get a fantastic deal on there. So let's get straight into this right now. So here we are, guys. We're over on Prime Link, okay? You can see we're just on the main dashboard page. And first, what we're going to do is we're going to get a URL. Now, I have used some before, right? So I'm just going to use one of these. And we're going to paste it in here, okay? Let's just click one of these. So that's our link. First thing we're going to do is link. Now, you can see on the left-hand side, we've got QR code, statistics, links. Throughout this channel, we do talk about a lot of the features. But today, I'm going to show you how to shorten a link. So we want to click single, one link, and we're going to shorten it right now. What this does, okay, is it brings up your link. It brings up all the different social media links and your QR code. If you click done, it's going to add it, okay, to your history here. Now, guys, this is how easy this is. If you go over to one of these links, okay, and press archive, it now moves this link into the archive folder. How do you access this? So if you want to set a later date, you will go over to the left-hand side where all the features are, go all the way down to archive links. In archive links, okay, you can now see this is archived. Okay, that's how easy this is. This is the actual shortened link of it, and this is the original link. Now, guys, from here, you can have a few objects. You can check the statistics, edit, and you can also unarchive it. If you unarchive it, you go straight back to the dashboard. You can see it in your history, or if you just simply go to links, you'll be able to see it here, guys. That's really how easy this is, and the reason I love Prime Link is because they make these tools super user-friendly. Okay, so just to show you one more time, on my dashboard, I can shorten a link. Okay, now I'm gonna shorten this link right here. Okay, I'm gonna let's tell you what, let's do a few links. So let's do this one as well. Okay, let's put this in multiple. I'm gonna go boom. Okay, so I'm gonna add 2 links. I'm gonna make this a little bit different. I'm gonna press shorten. So guys, these links just got shortened for me. There they are there. Okay, now again, you can see 0 seconds ago, this is what I just did. If I want to archive these links, okay, I simply click archive. Then I go down to archive links. These can be left there for as long as you need. And now I can get my links. Now, up at the top, you've got select all, you've got an archive section, add to campaign, add to channel, add pixels, or just completely delete. If you want to delete them fully, simply click delete. That'll delete everything in there, okay? Once you've checked this box, click delete. If you want to just go through and delete them on their own, just like this, simply click delete. Okay, that means this link is now gone, it's completely out. Guys, that's how you do it. Now let's talk about how much this costs. If you haven't got this already, you can get started now for free and get limited of the accessibility. If you want to pay $59 a one-time fee, you're going to get 15,000 link traits and data retention of 90 days. Unlimited features. If you are ready to get running, it's a lifetime pro fee of $99. That's a one-time fee. Not only that, guys, because you stayed to the end of this video, I've actually got a promo code for you. It is Top Digital Products 20. That's TDP20. You press apply, and that gives you a 20% discount. 1980 takes it to 79.20. That's a one-time fee, guys. So hit that link down below and get started right now. There you go, guys. Do me a massive favor, that like button, hit the subscribe, and hit the bell if you want to be notified, and I'm going to see you next time.